everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing the screen protectors, but let's get right into this. So my screen protector is currently cracked. I'm actually recording from my phone right now, so I'm going to add a clip of me actually applying this from my husband's phone. But this is how it comes packaged and everything. Let me go ahead and show you the insides. So everything that comes with it is this right here. It actually comes with this nano SIM adapter. So it has the key and everything that you'll need to open your iPhone. It comes with screen protector accessory, so that's like to clean it off and everything with. It comes with this right here to smooth it on. So there's a screen protector accessory, so that's to clean it off, like the towel. Looks like it comes with another one of those. And then it comes with 1, 2, 3. So 3 screen protectors. So really great deal. And I have an iPhone 14 Pro Max. That's what I use to record my YouTube videos with. But let me go ahead and show you what it looks like applied. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.